Right, so because we've got quite a few things to point out here, I thought I would just do a wee video of me writing out the calculation rather than me putting loads of words and flashy up things on a PowerPoint. Just a couple of things to point out. If you go to the very back page of your data booklet, you'll see here that you've got the values for Avogadro, Planck's constant and the speed of light, including the units. You also have the little conversion here for nanometers compared to a metre as well. Okay, so for the second example in the PowerPoint, you're asked to calculate the energy in kilojoules per mole, which is quite important, associated with the emissions causing a red line in the spectrum of a cadmium vapour lamp at a wavelength of 644 nanometers. Now, all this stuff here about emissions and the spectrum of a cadmium vapour lamp, you haven't looked at yet, but actually doesn't matter because you've got enough information there to do this calculation based on what you have done. So we're working out energy and we're given a wavelength. So LHC over wavelength. I know I need to use Avogadro because the unit includes moles per mole even. Okay, so what I need to do here, plug in Avogadro, 6.02 times 10 to 23, multiplied by Planck's constant, 6.63 times 10 to negative 34, multiplied by C, the speed of light, 3 times 10 to the 8. I then need to divide that by my wavelength, which is 644 nanometers. I need to multiply that by 10 to negative 9 to convert that into meters. I just want to highlight all the units here and how they all work. So Avogadro has a unit of per mole, Planck's constant, a unit of joules seconds, and the speed of light with a unit of meters per second. And here I've just done my conversion of nanometers even into meters. Okay, so I plug all that into my calculator and I get a value of 185,928. My units are joules per mole, and to prove that, up my top line of units are per mole, joules second, meters per second over meters. Second and per second cancel each other out there, and then meters and meters cancel each other out there to give us joules per mole. The question is asking me to give my unit in kilojoules per mole, so I need to divide this by 1,000 to give me 185. I can do 0.9 or just leave it to 186. It doesn't, either way is fine. Kilojoules per mole. And that is my final answer.